Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, October 29th, and this is my analysis for the Euro Yen, and we're on the daily time frame. So the Euro Yen I've been looking at as a possible wave B, but the fact we're right in between two fib levels is concerning, as in I do not really think that the move up is complete. It's not uncommon for wave B to go to the 123% of wave A on your Fibonacci extension, so there's no reason yet. There's no break of structure. There's no real reason yet to say that this move up is complete. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I still am definitely looking at this move down that we're currently been in as possibly just a pullback to the uptrend. Now it kind of looks like impulsive down, like it could be an A or maybe a one. This actually kind of reminds me of like a running correction, like a running wave B or a running wave two. Kind of makes me think that maybe it really is going to push down again. And if it goes down to a fib level, makes a break up, then we'll know it's a wave C. If it doesn't do that, just bounces and keeps on making lower lows, lower highs, then we'll know it's a wave three. Based on the higher time frames, the daily time frame and up, anything I see to the downside, I am definitely looking at as a possible pullback within an uptrend. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.